Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hello, friends. I'm Jessica, and I'm coming to you from Algarve's hidden paradise in Portugal. This video will take you on an incredible beach walking tour around Benagil Beach, namely one of the most stunning and breathtaking spots in the world. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and write a comment below if you enjoyed it. As you can see, the scenery around Benagil Beach is truly out of this world. The limestone cliffs, the stunning golden sand, the crystal clear swimming region, and the caves all make for a captivating experience. One of the most delightful parts about this walk here is watching the waves of the sea lap up against the banks. You can't help but feel mesmerized. There's sand dunes all around us, and you can hear the birds and other wildlife living here peacefully. Earlier today, I had an opportunity to take a boat ride, which was a fantastic way to explore the area and admire the beauty surrounding me. I've been walking around and taking photographs of the astonishing views all day. There's an old lighthouse nearby too, which added a unique flavor to the scene. The locals here are incredibly welcoming and friendly. They embrace their history and culture with pride. Whether you're interested in cultural activities or longing for a relaxing day at the beach, Algarve's hidden paradise in Portugal is the place to be. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing video tours around the world. I hope you enjoyed my Benagil Beach walk tour. Thank you for watching. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.